Hello all my friends out there. I was thinking the other day as I was out driving through a town out our way called Aldergrove about the drive-in theaters, the movie drive-in theaters. Where have they all gone? I don't know how many still exist in the United States or whatever part of the country you may be from. What a wonderful thing they were. Drive-ins. You know what the most part I remember the most is I remember the commercials they put on in between the drive-in, like between the previews when they'd have intermission. It was always the hot dog jumping into the bun, it was the hamburger, it was the mustard and the ketchup chasing everybody around. And actually they still show them down at our drive-in. I haven't been to that one in ages, but it still exists. It's not in the same location, different location now. So that's that's a little bit of a shame, but at least they're still keeping it up and going. But it just, I don't know, I remember as a kid, we would, you know, obviously my parents hop in the car, get in the back seat, and away we'd go, and we'd go to the drive-in. And it was just such a good time. You know, you brought your own junk food. You always had to get popcorn there, though. It doesn't even matter today. You know, here's a funny thing. I don't know about you guys. Occasionally, the few times I do go to a movie today, whether it be in a theater or at the drive-in, which, like I say, I haven't been for a while in the drive-in, I always say, I'm not going to buy that popcorn. I'm not spending all that money on popcorn. It doesn't matter how much fucking food I eat before I go there. I get sucked in by the popcorn. There's something about the smell of popcorn. Just like there's something about the smell of fried onions at the fairs. Anyway, a little off topic there. It was just such a fun time. You know, you saw the movies. The best movie always played later in the evening. When you're a kid, you usually fell asleep on the back seat of the car. You were just out. Your parents are probably happy for that. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. And, you know, then you get older and it's you can't wait to get your own car, just your license. And once you get your license, you're cruising around, you think of all the places and all the things you want to do when you get your license. And sure as shit, if the drive-in doesn't pop into your head, there's something wrong. There's just something wrong at all. So, yeah, I just had a thought. I was thinking about the drive-in. Theaters have come a long ways today, too. Theaters were so cool back in the day. Nowadays, I don't know, they're kind of just, what's the word I'm looking for? They're just kind of like a department store to me. I feel like you're just going to like a Walmart. You go up to the, you know, you go up to the till and yep. Back in the day, even the theaters were different, you know? Yeah, they had more selection of stuff. Different stuff, in my opinion. Now you walk into a theater and it's like Burger King's in the corner and A&W's over there, and it's like, you know, but I guess everything changes, right? It's all good. It all changes. On that note, you know, I'll give theaters credit, though. Today with the sound and the screens and everything, my God, it's like you're actually right in the motion picture. But still, there's just nothing like an old theater or an old drive-in. It's like a record. They've come so far with music today. You download it on your iPod, you know, they got CDs and all that. But yet there's nothing like the sound of a record, hearing those crackles in the background and just the noise that it makes. There's just something about it. Call me crazy, but there's just something about it. There's a little bit of a remember when for you there. And hope you guys are all doing good out there. Sorry I haven't done too many remember when lately. Shop's been busy, I've been busy, and it was, you know, summertime is winding down now. I think actually it's fall. It's fall now, but we've had gorgeous weather and just been so busy trying to get every moment in to do something either with my cars or go for a cruise in my car, and I've just kind of neglected you guys of my videos. So but fall is here now. Cold weather's coming, and now you're going to have to listen to me ramble on forever. So anyway, thanks all you guys. Remember, it's always a good time and all time. We'll see you next time.